Welcome to Trends Tech, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tools and technology. Join us as we explore curated collections of innovative tools for every project. Whether your car is full of beach gear during the summer, ski accessories during colder months, or camping gear for an upcoming trip, the trunk can get disorganized real quick. This collapsible organizer can be adjusted to fit small and large cars with large open sections and 4 side mesh pockets. We appreciate the sturdy tie-down straps that will help keep the organizer in place. Priced under $15 and available in 6 colors, reviewers say this best-selling car phone holder makes it easy to insert and remove your smartphone. It stays attached to your dashboard via a silicone pad on the bottom, and users appreciate that it offers a strong hold without leaving any sticky residue. Dropping items in the cracks of your car seats is a total headache. To prevent things from ending up in car Narnia, try these neoprene fillers designed to stop items from falling into seat gaps. Based on our testing, we can confirm these seat gap fillers fit around most seatbelt catches, and the squishy, stretchy material works in most cars. We've tested it in over 24 vehicles and have yet to have a problem. Keep your car garbage free with this $10 trash can featuring a built-in lid and side storage pockets. Hang the #1 bestseller from the back of your front passenger seat headrest for easy access. Just don't forget to dump it once it gets full. When there has been a snowstorm, cleaning off your car is paramount to your safety and the safety of others on the road. You'll want this snow scraper to do the job. Equipped with a non-abrasive foam head as well as a built-in ice scraper on the other end, you'll be able to tackle both soft and hard snow or ice. We like that you can expand and contract the handle so you can reach the top of a tall vehicle and then store it in your trunk. The glove compartment is a common storage place for important vehicle documents, but when reaching for them in a hurry, it always feels like they're nowhere to be found. This holder is basically a wallet for your registration, insurance, and other important car documents, keeping them all in one organized spot. If your car doesn't have a built-in backup camera, it's easy to add one. We named this Amazon's Choice Camera our best overall pick in our most recent guide to the best backup cameras. It's loaded with features including a 12-inch display and a high-definition camera that can record and take pictures. Attaching it to your rearview mirror is pretty straightforward, but you will have to run a cable through your car. This awesome Echo smart home device can be a game changer for long car rides. The slim design will look sleek in your car, and you can ask Alexa to stream a playlist or your favorite podcast as well as make calls, reply to texts, and even turn off the lights at home if you forgot when running out the door that morning. No more fumbling with your phone to change the music or relying on a passenger for help. Keep your car neat and clean with these organizing hooks. The set comes with 4 hooks so you can hang multiple items in your car. Simply hang them from the headrest to keep your bags from spilling over during sharp turns. Get the gunk out of tight spaces with this car detailing tool. This cleaning gel can be used on air vents and other car interior spaces that collect dust and can be difficult to clean. Reuse until the putty gets dark, and then it's time for a new one. Priced under $7, this cleaning tool won't break the bank. All sorts of accidents can happen, so it's best to be prepared. This AAA-approved emergency car kit comes with 42 unique items for all sorts of unfortunate situations. It includes jumper cables, first aid supplies, a flashlight, and other disaster preparedness essentials to keep you safe on the road. Some of the best car accessories are the most practical, including this gadget that lets you check your tire pressure at a moment's notice. View the reading via the digital display that's clear and easy to interpret. We appreciate the accurate readings down to 0.1 psi. You can purchase the gauge in sets of 3 or 4 if you have more than one vehicle at home. Keeping a spare lip balm or chapstick in the car is essential, as is having a nifty place to store it so it's always within reach. An Amazon #1 bestseller with a 4.3 star rating. This mini holder sticks onto your dashboard and is 3/4 of an inch wide. Keep this dimension in mind when adding to your cart as you want to make sure your balm will fit. Per a Reddit thread discussing car accessories you need, a top contender was all-weather floor mats to more easily collect mud, slush, and other dirt or debris so your interior stays clean. We like this Amazon's Choice set available in 6 different colors. It's designed to withstand wear and tear and has rubber nibs on the bottom to help keep the mats in place. We also appreciate that you can power it via the included 20-volt battery or plug it into your car's outlet, similar to a sofa slipcover. Car seat covers help protect your seats from stains and offer an added layer of comfort if you find your seats to be less than ideal during long drives. These covers by the popular construction company, SAT, have over 7,300 Amazon customer reviews, are made from 100% polyester for durability, and have a foam backing to help improve comfort and breathability. It's time to finally get rid of those snack crumbs your kids have left all over your back seat. This popular car vacuum cleaner features an extension tube for getting into cracks and crevices, a brush cleaner for carpets, and a flathead attachment for other hard-to-reach areas. It plugs right into your 12 volts outlet, and its 16-foot cord makes cleaning rear areas easier. Once you're finished, pack up your tools into the handy travel bag. You can pass the charger to the back seat with ease thanks to Rapidex's X5 car charger featuring a 5-foot-long cord, making car charging from areas other than the front seat much easier. The model also has 5 USB ports, can be used with Android or iPhones, and is available in 6 different color options. Cups come in so many different sizes, from coffee mugs to water bottles to soft drinks from your favorite fast food restaurant, and sometimes they simply don't fit in your car's cup holder. This cup holder expander allows you to fit any size cup and make it easier to reach. It's available in black or gray, and the base expands to keep the extender in place. This trendy gadget is great for families. You can pass items like a snack or toy to the back seat thanks to a texturized rubber end that the manufacturer says can grab any object. A long-lasting metal bar will go the distance, and you can use the tool beyond the car too. Whether it's reaching for something on a high shelf or picking up an important piece of paper that's slipped between furniture. Plus, it folds up so you can store the claw in the trunk when not in use. If you've been on the road for a while now, then you have probably had a flat tire once or twice. That's where a portable tire inflator comes in handy to help get you out of a sticky situation. This affordable pick has a comfortable handle and multiple features, including a digital pressure gauge, USB port for charging other electronics, and a built-in light so you can inflate your flat tire at night if needed. We also appreciate that you can power it via the included 20-volt battery or plug it into your car's outlet. That's a wrap on today's tool showcase. Subscribe for more reviews. Like this video and let us know your favorite tool in the comments below.